Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Dr. Usman and you are watching Astrological Guidance. In today's video, our topic is monthly prediction of January 2024 for all the Virgo Ascendant people. In today's video, we will talk about how will be the month of January 2024 for all the Virgo Ascendant people astrologically. First of all, we will talk about Sun. For all the Virgo Ascendant people, Sun controls your 12th house, and right now Sun is moving in your 4th house in the sign of Sagittarius. Sun will stay in your 4th house till 15th of January. After 15th of January, Sun will move to your 5th house in the sign of Capricorn. 12th house deal with your expenses, your losses, your isolation, your foreign settlement related matters from 12th house, your long-term investment, your sleep pattern, your dreams, your privacy somehow is also seen from 12th house along with 8th house and 4th house. So right now your 12th house Lord is moving in your 4th house in the sign of Sagittarius till 15th of January. So till 15th of January we can expect great result regarding your foreign settlement related matter if you want to travel somewhere in the month of January, because your 12th house Lord is moving in your 4th house in the house of homeland. 4th house is with your home, your physical home where you live is seen from 4th house. Your property, your vehicle, your mother, your relationship with your mother and your mother's health is also seen from 4th house. So we can expect you may have to travel somewhere in the month of January, especially before 15th of January. Also, we can expect you may have to face some disturbance regarding your property related matter and your vehicle related matter, because house of losses and house of expenses is moving in the house of properties in the house of vehicles. Also, we can expect you will spend some money on your vehicle, on your home if you want to renovate your home, because expenses and losses seen from 12th house, and 12th house Lord is moving in the house of properties in the house of vehicles. So you may expend some money on your property and vehicle in the month of January, especially before 15th of January. So you can expect these results from Sun till 15th of January. After 15th of January, Sun will move to your 5th house in the sign of Capricorn. So when Sun will move to your 5th house deal with your children, your love relationship, your early education, your mental abilities, your planning abilities, your early education is also seen from 5th house. Your girlfriend, boyfriend, fiance, and your love relationship also seen from 5th house. So when your 12th house Lord will be moving in your 5th house, then we can expect a good result for your education related matter. If you want to go somewhere, some different country for your education purpose. Also, if you have children right now, then you need to be take care of your children's health and their matters, because right now your house of losses, house of expenses is also moving in your 5th house in the house of mental abilities in the house of children. Also, we can expect you will daydream a lot after 15th of January, because from 12th house we also see your dreams, your daydreaming is your thoughts is also seen from 12th house. After 15th of January, your 12th house Lord will be moving in your 5th house in the house of mental abilities, in the house of planning abilities. So we can expect these results from Sun for all the Virgo Ascendant people in the month of January. Now let's talk about Virgo. For all the Virgo Ascendant people, Mercury controls your 1st house and your 10th house. Means Mercury is your Ascendant Lord. Mercury is very important planet for you people. And in the month of January, Mercury is moving in your 4th house in the sign of Sagittarius. Mercury just moved from your 3rd house to your 4th house after 6 January 2024 in the sign of Sagittarius. And approximately in the whole month of January, Mercury will be present in your 4th house. First house deal with you, your personality, your overall aspect of life is seen from 1st house. Your general health is also seen from 1st house. Your fundamental nature, your perception, your thinking pattern is also seen from 1st house. 10th house will be your work environment, your fame, your how far you can go in your career, how far you can go in your occupation, how much fame do you have is also seen from 10th house. So right now in the month of January, your 10th house and your 1st house Lord will be moving in your 4th house. So we can expect great result regarding your work related matter, because from 4th house Mercury will also expect its own house, your 10th house. So we can expect great result regarding your work related matter, regarding your job related matter. Your superiors will support you in the month of January because of your 10th house Lord is moving in your 4th house, and from 4th house Mercury is also expecting your 10th house. So we can expect great result regarding your fame related matter, regarding your career related matter. You may encounter good result and promotion and increment in the month of January, especially after 15th of January when Sun will move from your 4th house to your 5th house. Mercury also controls your 1st house, means your ascendant, and right now Ketu is moving in your 1st house after 30th October 2023, as we discussed previously in Rahu Ketu transit video. So Mercury is right now taking Ketu's energy in your fourth house. So you may have to deal with some health related issues regarding your elders at your homes and your mothers and mother figures in your life. So you have to be careful and take care of their health in the month of January, especially till Sun is moving in your fourth house till 15th of January. So we can expect these results from Mercury in the month of January for all the Virgo ascendant people. Now let's talk about Venus. For all the Virgo ascendant people, Venus controls your ninth house and your second house. And right now, Venus is moving in your third house in the sign of Scorpio. Ninth house deal with your father, your teachers, your mentor, your higher education is seen from ninth house, means your post-grad education is seen from ninth house. Your travel related matter, your pilgrimage, your religious matter, your religious inclination is also seen from ninth house. Your second marriage, your lawyers, your advisor, your coach is also seen from ninth house, and your fortune related matter means how lucky you are is also seen from ninth house. Second house will be the family, your family history, your family lineage is seen from second house. Your bank account, how much saving do you have, is seen from second house in the form of money, in the form of currency, in the form of jewelry. All of these things is seen from second house. Your speech, your food intake habits also seen from second house. So right now, your second house and your ninth house lord is moving in your third house. Third house deals with your communication, your younger siblings, your efforts, your cousins, neighbors, childhood friends, etc., etc. Seen from third house. So in the month of January, Venus will be moving in your third house till 19th of January. After 19th of January, Venus will move to your fourth house in the sign of Sagittarius. So till your ninth house lord is moving in your third house, we can expect great result regarding your travel related matter, because from third house Venus is also expecting its own house, your ninth house. Ninth house also deals with your luck related matter. So we can expect luck will support you in the month of January. Luck will be in your favor in the month of January because your ninth house lord is in a strong position. Also, as we discussed previously, if you want to travel somewhere, you will definitely get a chance to travel somewhere in the month of January, because your ninth house lord, long distance travel lord, is right now moving in the third house. Third house also deals with short distance travel. One travel house lord is moving in the travel house lord. That's why we can expect you may have to travel somewhere before 19th of January. Second house lord is moving second place is away from itself, and second house from any house is considered as gain of that house. So we can expect great result regarding your savings related matter, regarding your money related matter in the month of January. After 19th of January, when Venus will move to your fourth house, then we can expect great result, as we discussed previously in sun section. If you were previously trying to move from your birth from different country, then we can expect great result for your travel related matter, especially after 19th of January, because then your travel house lord will be moving in the house of homeland, in the house of vehicle. So Venus may give you travel in the month of January, especially after 19th of January, if you are running through Venus time period in your birth chart, especially. After 19th of January, your second house lord will also be moving in your fourth house, and as we discussed previously in sun section, you may expend a lot of money in the month of January before 15th of January upon your property, upon your vehicle, and etc. etc. And also, we can expect you may spend some money on your conveniences related matter, because your second house, house of saving, house of money lord, is also moving in your fourth house, and house of expenditure, house of losses are also moving in your fourth house. That's why we can expect you will lose some money to renovate your home or property or conveniences related thing in the month of January. So we can expect these results from Venus for all the Virgo ascendant people in the month of January. Now let's talk about Moon. For all the Virgo ascendant people, Moon controls your 11th house, and right now Moon is moving in your second house in the sign of Libra. The positions of planet you are watching on whiteboard is set according to 6th of January. And on the basis of 6th January, we are predicting for whole month, because Moon is a very fast moving planet. Moon changes sign in 2.5 days. If we try to predict Moon in single video for every house, then video will get too lengthy and it will be very difficult for us to describe. But here we will try to make you understand how can you judge your Moon transit in your chart easily. So first of all, whenever Moon is moving near 6th, 8th and 12th house, during these days we can expect we may have some issues, problem and difficulties in our life. These houses considered as naturally malefic house in astrology. Somehow issues, problem and difficulties will always associated with these houses. And Moon considered as very sensitive and delicate planet. Moon get influenced very easily. Second important thing to judge Moon transit is that whenever Moon is moving near any naturally malefic planet from any house in transit, during these days also we can expect we may have some issues, problem and difficulties in our life, and especially issues, problem and difficulties will come from the house significance through which Moon is moving near naturally malefic planet. So that's the way to judge moon transit. Now let's talk about Mars. For all the Virgo ascendant people, Mars controls your 8th house and your 3rd house. And right now, your 8th house and 3rd house Lord is moving in your 4th house in the sign of Sagittarius. Mars will stay in your 4th house till the whole month of January. 8th house will be your sudden events, your longevity, your chronic diseases, your ups and downs in life is seen from 8th house. Your secret activity, your sexual organ, your sexual activity is also seen from 8th house. Your researches, your secret study is also seen from 8th house. Third house, as we discussed previously in Venus section, third house will be your cousins, neighbors, childhood friends, your efforts, mainly your communication skills and your efforts is seen from third house. So right now, 8th house and third house Lord is moving in your 4th house, and 4th house will be your homeland. So suddenly you will, so we can say suddenly you may get a chance to travel somewhere in the month of January, as we discussed previously in Venus section and Sun section, because 9th house and 12th house Lord is moving in your 4th house in the house of homeland, and suddenly events house Lord is moving in your 4th house also. So that's why we can say suddenly you will get a chance to move from your birthplace to some different country or travel somewhere in the month of January. Also, Jupiter is moving in your 8th house, and from 8th house, Jupiter is expecting your Sun, Mercury, and Mars. And Jupiter aspects of Jupiter give very good result in transit. That's why we can expect great result for your travel related matter, for your savings related matter, your home related matter, regarding your property related matter, regarding your vehicle related matter, and your travel related matter. You may spend some money to renovate your home, your vehicles, or you may spend some money to travel somewhere in the month of January. So we can expect these results from all the planets for all the Virgo ascendant people in the month of January. Our today's video monthly prediction for the month of January 2024 for all the Virgo ascendant and shares. I hope you will like this video and this video will prove helpful for you. And if you find this video helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. See you in next video. Till that, Allah Hafiz. Take care.